In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play part 2, or the harmony part of Jingle Bells on the flute. We're using our Easy Duet sheet music, which you can download at the link below. First, let's listen to the entire harmony part played from beginning to end. To help us practice this part, we're going to break it down into 4 phrases. Phrase 1 starts on B flat. Phrase 2 starts on the note C. Phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is almost the same as phrase 2, it's just a little bit different at the end. Now let's take those 4 phrases and put them together and play the entire harmony part from beginning to end. So there we have the harmony part. It's part 2 on your duet sheet music. All you need to do now is find a friend to play along with, and you have a nice little duet to perform for your family or friends. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, everybody. Have fun and go practice.